Abusomada wase mama mo akwa biem e de aba GH report so na ena yewam ewo Agra school sof mama part evangelist mama part e de nana AGRADAA yewam ewo nakache na yese ukowura ewo Nsawam di a pani kohwe ensenkyereni pa mama part ye wo hodom no ano eden yese wo set record na o break record ene wo sanyarewa kanya mesem ewo chese Nsawam prison na abusua ye be ko ne wakotie emu nsem na black rasta ena di enchemu ne eba ya yese anwanwade a mama part ye wo hodom no ano ede papa ye be ko ne wakotie se de nsem no esitie na unim Ajahgurajah for some few days opening air trende na okay abranti a ne ye fra no Adwenpahene a chese media no so de woka Adwenpahene pe na yese osofo kwabenesi ama na ne di enamu eye Ajahgurajah na ne di enamu eno namu a na chese ko ba se report ni beto dwa se abranti Adwenpahene no waye nyame dia e ma chese ehun sem be ye deja e wo kromu a enkrofo chese kwabenesi ama eye Ajahgurajah oni hu bi abusua latest bia beto dwa na Adwenpahene wu ye no se free ye ba ne ba beti ensem a ifri mu ba na emom no kwabenesi ama Ajahgurajah wodi ho hwe ye beti se de ensem no esitie now enamu se Mzbel akwakoche fayoja wosofo ya kwache ne da kwatum abusua ene Mzbel edi nkyiremu no aba beto dwa ye nika enwa mu na ye nkotie ene ensenkyerene ene anwade a evangelist mama part Agra school wo ye ewo Nsawam a chese yese o set record a breaking record e honom ye ntie ensem
and go to the prison house and see AGRADAA. My brother, people that I spoke to, they told me point blank, AGRADAA has now opened a church in the female prison. She's now preaching on Sundays. She will gather the people at Nsawam female prison, preach to them and speak in tongues. I have no problem with anybody's faith, but the track record is clear. People change in prison. Others change when they are sick or some other such calamities befalling them make them change. My brother, my sister, now the information is this. A lot of people are trooping to the Nsawam prison because they don't believe that AGRADAA is there, just to go and take a glimpse of her. And my information has said that the number has more than just quadrupled. Every now and then, people are running there. And they come on the pretext of bringing some gifts. People have been donating to the Nsawam female prison. It's been unprecedented. They have probably never seen this traffic of people going to the female prison. They have probably never seen this traffic of goods and gifts going to the female prison because of AGRADAA. Right now, if there is a ceremony in the prison there, the opening prayer is said by AGRADAA. I am excited about one thing. Prison is supposed to reform people. Prison has an aspect of punishment, but overriding it is not the punishment, but the reformation.
Abusia ene black rasta ene desa ensem ebetu dwa o chese ene okupiemu ewo Nsawam di a enya asemgetwa ade bia omoye nefa nyame hone de obonse AGRADAA enamu evangelist mama part wonamu ene yebedidi kwa na epobia na bompa ya gise kofre AGRADAA ema ne ba ene edu kwasi ada waka nipa miensa mienu enan ebom na ono mo ya asori achese eno nam so ema achade ene niema nkrofo adi wuramu ewo Nsawam prison just ebi mu ko akwakohwe se nia apia bonte no eye nokre anase enye nokre ebi mu ewura ho se because of AGRADAA ente no omo to eniema e de koche Nsawam prison edi anwanwade a AGRADAA eche prison eye no ebi eno no eye black rasta ende saa ensem no ebeto abonten yemfiri we so na yemwa mu ewo Adwenpahene ene yakwan a abrante fa so efiri mu ewo media no so na abuso yebeka ya emre bi na Adwenpahene ba abonten ebe declare se na japade ni ne bibia wo ewo asase su bia no wo de ho document no ama ne yere which means ne papa ne maame na busuafo obi ani chefa eyedai ewom na abusua enema bi ekoso yenkoti ensem a etodwa
mpahene tena etiase no ne papa ene na ebo ne ho ban o papa ene di ni kogija o papa ene di ni chini
ensem bo
but Adwenpahene mistake ya wo ye when na wo de beki be gina social media no so camera mu e declare ne japade nyina de ma beki ho ena ne dan for free papa na eye ne ye because oni ne suma papa no impo ni fia wo sie na papa na nesi ma no na obeda sorry wo se oba no wo de japade nyina hye oba se miemie no for public and say waye panyini kwasea to the extent when papa be kon ye de ni wi a wonu mu nyina akra ye den eme ma the papa ni ko yi ni free ho ti ni mu be ye ha
a community
beki ni minyansa sa ni me bi se kra ye ne public ukuri de japade nyina ma waye fa ma public ni because efie bia wo mensa obia wo sunsun woni fie ekobasa na spirit kro wo fie mu kra buftimefu extra kill anesori tia
eno kra video no be na ni be se na wo twemienu
okay and it's a whole papa no ko yi no every baby wo de na hye yi ni nsa nyina free no so ti ni mu be ye ha ni mu be ye ha ana mo amuti social media no so na mo ye na Ajahgurajah no sunsun okaso obekun a obekun okaso obekun a obekun okaso wonkun so a impo se odifo kwabrese mampo kase wonye obi bibi na opese wo ye wo a ene wo ye wo onye wo ye sunsun ene sunsun bia so di asem ene obi so sunsun woni fie me metime didi obi atem na bia mesu hunhun bi o me fie akopiridi ama me meti ase na nchese motumi ana metumi na sunti na nipa ko 90 me anyame e bia na sunsun bi o me fie me ma me sunsun me papa sunsun bi akopiridi ama me ti am da wonte ase eti se mu kasa wo pese woni odifo kwabresi ama ko boni deep plane odifo kwabresi oni tumi bia wotimi nyame hwe oye nipa ba wo kasa Ajahgurajah ontimi nyame hwe ya oye sunsun mu a obetinya ye obibi enu ye fa hye ene wo meka won so a memeka no o ma wo lemu a memma ni lemu du lemu no so
abusua ene ensem no ena hote ye kwan a Adwenpahene efa so efiri mu na chese wotimi se papa no ene na eye bibia na so social media emu sensem ya o eno nam so ama se eye abusuafo se eye Ajahgurajah o se ye chese odifo kwabenesi ama o ye ntimi nkyere but penima ekoso ne de e kyerese bibi eyedai ewom ewo abrante na Adwenpahene wu a owu ye ne ho now abetodwa se Mzbel ache fire Ogya ene osofo a ya yere ne prachi ene kwakotweli mu ano eden na Mzbel babonten ede enkyirimu aba the reason tia wokoche fire Ogya no yenko na yenkotie
but I was send me a video because cause ni messages no I don't think I can deal with individuals so me way send obi abeti no once and for all say when obi I also no so message ya na me pacho wa share amano send ya me management team edit to abontin area way on all my social media platforms sa enetie fire Ogya was in police custody following allegations or your family who are any without any evidence now he was supposed to be in police custody for 48 hours to assist investigation, but I was later on informed say me free CID headquarters no wa admit to say ni oye ni wrong charges say the born so wachi atomo enti ebe processing court. So there was no need to hold him that long at the police headquarters because wajin infuswa atomo enti no 48 hours was to keep him to assist investigation enti yamani bail ni ebe CBA no mo aso beti se na AGRADAA de ba ya obi aba court yard ho a obeblog ye no saa ni de beto abonten enti mesremo enye ntro bi na me twa enye bibi na me ka de agi trend say ya chief fire Ogya and blah blah blah. Please, I woke up one morning and saw videos uncle for sending me odidi matem or attacking me or accusing me or threatening me, send me a bear mammy your bar. Me wanting me yes, obey, you know. On your beer, me nemono, and your beer, me huneda. On your beer, Martinas, Martin and Cacrada. Senya semi e ba ye ya. Kami kra me nimu so your sofu. Na so your sofu no your influential. No be ye bold at nasi. I can some say afa me ho. Enye no kra for whatever reason E was say medical namran de to baby what so de to. Ma mfa na nkomamra say yen tete no. Yen gu ne ho fin, yen gu n'anim ase, yen gi ne fa ho ndi mfiri ne sem. No. Me can report yes and you know, menya me peace of mind because I have noticed sa no ye or started so only way yes I no want take action there every day be baba be stress you so did what me go fin omo money won ye fine bi omo yina wa ko hwehwe mo chia kwan de omo be go so that's what I heard it does and from niam kakra me hu social media no I couldn't just sit down for him to do that to me me ni mo no that. And then he confirmed in my presence, so only me, me that social media and me videos. And yes, ya money bill because watching in phones watu. One jan to one, and Kayebe holding no in police custody for 48 hours. Now you are investigating. At my sense, and in the ABCBR no gusian for a baby 12 on Tiama. We a blogger, we a media person, now person interview me. A patch your number. Me social media platforms no fra ye be yen hihye wo say ye bi ana de wo say meka na meka nkrofo asati didi matem say me your trufo ye na fire Ogya de blah 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 na video na ma share na wo ka me ho asem no se wo fi say e okay say obia betimi asore keke na wa kasa atia obia keke na wa fa ne ho edi ama Ghana police egu nani egu so dia any betimi dia yo. But me can't show be brown crying say you don't have to be a celebrity to get justice. You don't have to be an influential person to get justice. You don't have to be powerful to get justice. So be titi wo fa ahode so, obi didi watem, obi man krofo egu hu fin, obi kotua bloggers ka say yen discredit yen say we dwuma. Obi ye wo bibi na wo awo ne mo say yen ne kwan so amepa chew. Wo twin bem Ghana police now the two money you will get justice. Not because of who you are, but because you are a Ghanaian and it's your right. And so I have exercised my rights. Mo amute ichira mo kanya mo kinina. Emre so ni court na se ebeda pontia. Na money niya money nebe whatever it is. But this is what it is so far. Good night.
Okay. Enti Mzbel ena ababe cheche ne nsemu one fire Ogya nsem no wotimi dia babeto abonten and me ankasa no personally maintain fire Ogya say because ubi ena akoye na ade ena whether in the realm of the spirit ena wo hu ye ana say whatever it is ekwa bi afa so wo de hu ye no wo hu a you need not to come out to say anything about the person fine we betimi apase comment there but to say me we don't say obo aka say me challenge say okoye ye say it's not fine, it's not nice. Inti I think say once I say akodi apostle for nsem ne they are the right people umbetimi ama sebe pepepe yo etimi atodwan ti obaso na watimi achewa adwene in all the videos ametimi edebron aha GH report yes abishia